Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, sports steering wheel, MP3, panoramic sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2021 Kia K5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified Program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.